After 2 weeks of being here, the tumour marks went from 48 down to 25. That was after 2 weeks. We've just done another test today, and I imagine the tumour marks are going to be right down to near zero. If you follow the pattern, after 2 weeks, 50%, after 6 weeks, I can imagine it's nearly gone. Well, my improvement is, but mind you, I am on probably the strongest nutrition you can possibly get, which is distributed through the Amway Corporation, which is Nutrilite or Nutraway, and therefore my body strength is very high compared to a lot of patients, and I have been able to walk to the clinic and walk home again because of that strength. And the result of the medication and the treatment I have got here from the clinic has made me stronger and fitter than I was when I got here, and has made me feel a lot better. And I do feel as though I have no more worries about the cancer, although I did have a few worries before I got here. But I do believe that this is possibly the best treatment you can get for cancer, and I think it is probably one of the best places to come within this planet, because it's globally, these people are very professional. The reason I left Australia is because the reason I did not get any treatment in Australia is because it is conventional medicine, and all they do is give you chemotherapy without any support therapy, without any support medication. And therefore, to do chemotherapy in Australia, you have the risk of destroying all the other organs in your body, and also the possibility of dying is going to remain the same as whether you had treatment or not. Here in Bangkok, at the Verita Life clinic, they give you support medicine for your organs, and therefore when you leave here, your cancer is being made redundant or dormant, but your organs are still intact. That's the reason I came here instead of doing chemotherapy in Australia. What I've had here is a mild dose of chemotherapy, followed by support medicines for the organs, which is IVs, which is IV injection of vitamin C, B17, chelation and selenite, and all these products support your organs, your other organs, your liver, your kidney, pancreas, all the rest of the organs in your body, and therefore reduces any stress chemotherapy might have on your body. The way, when I first got diagnosed with cancer, my son was already doing research on cancer for his father-in-law, who was a Vietnamese man. He had cancer. My son was there for a week trying to help him. Came back to Australia to find that his own father had cancer, but he had already done the research, and he sent me straight here to Verita Life. We went to a family doctor back there in Australia, and the family doctor said to me if I didn't do chemo, I'd be dead in 2 months. And we decided to come straight to Verita Life. The staff, this is world class. This facility is world class. The staff are brilliant, the doctors are brilliant, they care about every single person here. And they've got a very hard battle, because some of these people don't deserve to get the treatment they get from these people, these staff. All of them, all the nurses and doctors are brilliant. In my opinion, are world class. I would recommend Verita Life to anyone and everyone who has cancer or anything, because this is the ultimate treatment. This is the ultimate place to come. I would not recommend. I have met so many people who have done normal chemo, and it has destroyed parts of their bodies, and it has not cured the cancer. And I honestly believe that nobody can cure the cancer except for the person that has the cancer. Verita Life and any other place you get cancer treatment will knock the cancer down, negate it, nullify it, make it dormant, but it will stay there if you don't change your lifestyle. So each individual person that has cancer has to get rid of it themselves by changing their lifestyle and do things differently. Otherwise the cancer will come back, because when the treatment's finished, you've still got stem cells all through your body, and those stem cells will continue to eat and develop into tumours. So each individual person cannot expect any treatment to get rid of cancer completely. It's up to each individual. That is my belief, and I do believe Dr. Hassani here thinks the same. You have to change your lifestyle, otherwise you're going to continue getting treatment, you're going to continue getting tumours, and the cancer is not going to go away. So I have already mapped out a treatment plan for myself when I get back, which I was doing before I came here, which is a zero sugar diet, and which will continue to keep whatever cancer cells I've got, stem cells, dormant.